Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to watch iQIYI on Hisense Smart TV. This is very easy. Like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to watch iQIYI or watch content on iQIYI, this is exactly what you have to do. You have to make sure the application is already installed. And here's it over here. I already have it installed. But if for some reason you don't have the application installed, then you need to start by installing it to your Hisense Smart TV. And what you have to do is to go over to your app store. It's as simple as that. And on your app store, you need to search for the application. So go over to the search button and type in the name application. Here's it over here. And as I said, I already have it installed. So you just click OK and install it, then launch it on your Hisense Smart TV. Once you launch it, this is how it should look like. iQIYI. This is for Asian movies and popular Asian movies. Yeah. So as you go over here, as you can see, these are content on here that you can watch. They're in Chinese language, as this is an application for those Asians. So here's it over here. And there are categories. You can choose the category that you want. There's videos, there are topics, there are lots that you can choose to watch over here. So you just go scroll through it and choose when you want to watch and click OK and start watching. But at times you'll be asked to log into your account, which is very important. You need to log in or create an account or subscribe to a VIP account to get the best out of this without ads. So if you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.